take a bite-sized chicken, dip it in there, take all the goodness, and can see the mushrooms plus the onions. Amazing. Try it. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Guys, so today we are making mushroom sauce. So here is our mushroom, our red onions, and then we're gonna use butter to cook it, and you'll need milk or heavy cooking milk or heavy cream. We're gonna need salt and black pepper, and lastly we're gonna need our wheat flour. So let's turn this on. We're gonna reduce the heat like so. Then we're gonna put our cooking oil first so that we don't burn the butter. So that's enough. And then we're gonna put our mushrooms in first. And we're gonna let them cook until they're brown. Just spread them out and just let them cook. Just, give them time. So for the mushrooms, I've used this today, the white one. So I've taken like 6 of them and then I've chopped them into that. Just in case you're wondering like the quantity. So they've started to become brown. So now this is the right time to add in your butter. Spread them out and let them cook for another few minutes. So now we're gonna remove that from the fire. As you can see, they're brown. Yeah. Let me give you a better view. As you can see, they are brown. So we're gonna remove them. So this is how they look. They're quite beautiful. So now we put our onions and we let the onions sweat for a bit. So at this stage I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon and a half, 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Okay, so we are gonna mix that up like so. And then we're gonna add our milk. Add as you stir. You stir until everything is well incorporated. So I think that's enough. And then at this point we're gonna add our salt. That's enough. And we're gonna add our black pepper, and then we're gonna now just stir. So I'm gonna keep on stirring until it gets thick. A thing to note is that you have to keep your eye on your sauce so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, so you have to be on it, and as you can see, it's thickening up compared to the way it was. Yeah, so you keep on stirring, just be patient, scraping out the edges like so. So now this is the point where I will return or put back the mushrooms. Smelling so good. So we're gonna let it simmer until it reduces in size. So our sauce is done. As you can see, now it's heavier than it was even before. As you can see, so the salt and pepper is well balanced. So I want to show you how you can use this sauce in which kind of food. So I'm gonna serve it and then you're gonna see. So I'm gonna switch this off. I'll be back with you in 1 minute. Here is our sauce. I've served it out. Let me show you how it is. As I promised, you can serve it with food like so. So here is our chicken, here is our rice. As you can see, it's pretty dry, but then you can either choose to pour it over or take a bite-sized chicken, dip it in there, take all the goodness, and consider the mushrooms plus the onions. Amazing. Try it. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye.